Well, folks, it's 106 degrees today in South Texas, and you know, this little project is a automatic dog watering system. If any of y'all know me, y'all know I get bored very easily, and I'm always fixing or breaking or making something. This was I was motivated to do this project because these dogs I got, you know, they seem to always take the water pans, flip them over, turn them over, then they don't have no water. Or they either want to lay in them and take a bath. So I came up with this little idea, man. I took some 8-inch heavy wall sewer pipe from Century, put a cap on the end, put a piece of wood on the other end of it, put me a couple stands on the bottom of it, as you see here, plumb me in a water valve, put a 1/4-inch line, got my little ferrule sitting in here, I can plumb it into a fixture at the house. And inside I got a little float. Shuts off when it gets about, ½ inch from the top here. Now I'm not sure this is going to really work, but we'll fix to go plug it into the faucet and see what happens. And if it does work, then I'll come back and kind of show the process of how I built it, what I used, and about what it cost me to do this project. Again, this is just my old homemade dog watering system. Got a PVC pipe or sewer pipe or whatever you want to call it. And keep in mind, if you don't want to use a cap, you can always put wood on both ends. That's what I'm going to do on the next project to cut the cost down. Again, this is Larry with TX Dash Covers. Just want to show you a little clip of this old homemade dog watering system I'm trying to perfect or build or modify, whatever you want to call it, so that my dogs always have water that's superheat. I know, they're worse than kids. They'll turn over a bowl every 11 hours. But hopefully this will resolve the problem. Let me get over there and hook it up. We'll show you some more of the video.